Hi, my name is Edward. Welcome to my solar install with Energy Advantage Roofing and Solar. The problems, I guess, it wasn't necessarily a problem. It's more financial, I guess. We wanted to find a means by which to lower our energy costs and also be green to help the environment in some way, in some form. We're a large family in this home, so we had a high utility expense. So with the installation of our solar, this has been a tremendous help. Well, to be honest, it was quite high. I don't have the exact figures. My wife is our financial person in our household, but it was quite high given we have a large family and we have large use of energy. We have a hot tub, for example. So I don't know the exact figures, but it has been a tremendous help financially. I was just online searching and called around, and then at some point I met my neighbor behind me and we talked a little bit about solar. He had his solar panels installed by Energy Advantage and he was very pleased, and he referred me to Michael Spaniel, and then I reached out to Michael, and from that point it was just a very easy process. There was nothing I had to do. I just reached out to Michael, we met, we discussed the whole process. He took it from there. Energy Advantage just rolled with it, and they scheduled everything. I didn't have to do a thing. And yet, if I had questions or concerns, Michael was readily available to answer any of those questions or concerns. I would give Energy Advantage a 10. 10 being great. It's just been phenomenal. The response rate is quick. Michael's right there. Even to this day, I could reach out to Michael and he would answer any questions. Haven't been any problems whatsoever. Well, I'm glad that they're solar, obviously, and then roofing is a big part of their product or service. So I'll certainly keep Energy Advantage in mind when the time comes to do any roofing repairs or replacement, and certainly continue with any questions or concerns I may have regarding solar. That certainly is very helpful. I would talk to them about my experiences. Certainly we try to be green, recycle, and conserve energy. Certainly I'm sold on solar energy. We did a lot of research. So I would certainly speak to the individual about that. I have. And some people are just kind of waiting, I think. I have some family members who are interested. But I would certainly turn them on to Energy Advantage and let them know that the service is amazing. There's nothing that we as customers have to do. Energy Advantage and Michael Spaniel and the staff do an amazing job. And there's nothing you just sign your name, and that's about it. And everything's taken care of. Hi, my name is Edward. Welcome to my solar install with Energy Solar.
It's okay. An Energy Advantage Roofing and Solar.
Energy Advantage Roofing and Solar.
Okay. So